Hey guys, it's me, Taco Bell 101, back for another video. And today, I'm just baking a loaf of bread. Yeah. So, the directions will be in the link below, but I'm just gonna bake a loaf of bread. Let's get into it. Sorry for the go. I see you. Are you lying, my friend? Nice. That was very good. I need my 2 eggs. That was very good, wasn't it, Flamingo? For the milk. One nice muy bien. Yeah, much good canola oil. Oil that comes from pure canola. It's like nothing in there. Okay, done with that. That was not good. What? 1, 2, 3. Sea salt. I need the sea salt because everyone right now wants to be by the ocean or on a beach. But you can't get that because it costs money. And so does baking bread. And finally, the specialist ingredient, the secret ingredient, cinnamon. Just gotta add a dab. No, I think I'm brown very good. Wow. Baking bread. You're beautiful. Now time to add the beautiful mix. Oh, she's Louise. Mixing. Nice. Bread mixture is looking very nice. Like the type of bread mixture you would want. But to me, I think it needs more special ingredient. Now that it's all complete, time to add it. So here's the final product. Mr. Flamingo thinks it's good too. Get out of here. You're trying to sabotage. Oh, but yeah, here it is. About to go into the oven. Be right back when it's done. Ah ha ha! The bread's done. There we go, boys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. This is how you make your bread. Now, see you later. Bye. Ha! Just joking. Let me get the real bread. It's in the oven. There you go, boys. Bread. Here it is. That's what it looks like. And that's how you make it. Bye.